Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, June 3rd. It is our last day in this module. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have a few activities to do in async. The first activity is a Kahoot, and the next one is friends listening activity. So you are going to watch this video and then answer the questions that go with the video and submit. Your next async is a Flipgrid. So this Flipgrid, you are going to give your oral presentation about your topic. So talk about your POV, your claim, and your 5 pieces of evidence. Okay. There will be a recording if you need an idea. Okay. But just basically you're reading your POV, your claim, and you're giving us 5 pieces of evidence. Your next activity is to read Spark. So it's your first Spark article of the month, verbal communication. And that's it. It is Thursday. That means it's we will see each other on Zoom. So we'll do a little grammar practice and then we'll work on our essay. Most people are ready to write their essay. Some of you are in the first 5 steps. So we need to make sure we're doing that. Also, my friends, it is close to the end of the semester. It's very, very important that you do come to class because next week we'll be picking our classes for the next semester and we will also be taking our final exams. So those of you who have Lexile level 560 and over, you will be taking the exam. Those of you who don't have Lexile 560, or if we have had a conversation about repeating, and you don't have to take the test, but you still have to come in and select your classes for next semester, and we have to conference. Okay. Also, I want to run past you an idea of meeting in person. So please come to class in the next few weeks so we can wrap up the school year. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Good luck.